The IRISCard Anywhere 5 business card scanner is a portable device that works without having to connect directly to your computer or laptop. Instead, the internal memory captures and saves the scanned image of your business cards until you are able to connect to your PC. From there, you can open and download the images into the software program that comes along with the card reader. If you need more memory, the IRISCard card scanner accepts SD memory cards and has a USB port for a flash drive. While testing the IRISCard scanner, I was able to install the program and set up the device with ease. It took a few tries for the scanner to recognize that I was sheet-feeding business cards. Once the card was straight enough, it was able to scan cards rather quickly. I was able to scan about 10 business cards in a minute. This business card reader is small and compact, so it's easy to go anywhere. It scans images in color, and is compatible with Mac and PC computers, laptops, and mobile devices. Once images are scanned and uploaded into the program, you can edit images, create contacts and share information with other programs by exporting to them. Some of the programs IRISCard is compatible with include email, Microsoft Office and CRM solutions such as Salesforce and Sage. Unlike the other business card scanners on my review, the IRISCard Anywhere 5 only scans with a 300dp resolution. While this isn't as crisp as the competition, it is still good quality, and is able to be picked up for auto-population purposes in the business card scanning program. It will also have no problem picking up specialty inks, such as foil, embossing and UV spot finishes. One feature this device doesn't have is the ability to duplex, or scan both sides of the business card at the same time. You can do this manually and then connect the two images under the same contact later. The IRISCard comes with an industry-standard 1-year warranty in case anything breaks. If you need help operating your card scanner, you can refer to the FAQ section or the digital user manual available on the IRIS website. You also have email support available to you if you need individualized help. The IRISCard Anywhere 5 is the most portable business card scanner reviewed and scans cards without needing to be connected to your laptop or computer. Instead, the internal memory scans and saves each image to be downloaded to your computer later when you're ready. While it doesn't scan both sides at the same time, and the resolution isn't as high as other card readers, the images are still clear enough for the accompanying software program to read and extract contact information to auto-populate the necessary text fields.